explaining the fourth goal for 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. Now let's explain how Goal 4 can indirectly contribute to achieve the other 16 goals. In this earth, we humans go to school, college, for gaining knowledge, such that we can improvise what we learned and implement it, and make the habitats happier and safer. But we still end up with lot of issues like poverty, inequalities, pollution etc., which are to be solved. Because the quality of education in many countries is itself one of the major issue. Education is the only tool which can prevent and also solve any global issue, because if we educate a generation of humans, both technically and humanly within their educational institutions, that itself be the stepping stones to make the sustainable livelihoods in this earth. Let us see why education makes everything better. Suppose a real human is given a quality education. By making use of his knowledge, he or she can get their family out of poverty, due to that they can have healthy diet and sufficient food. Now, this real human stands up for the equal rights and survival for all living beings, and also to conserve the natural resources by inventing or innovating the alternative resources, by using his or her knowledge. Because of his or her quality education, this human will be responsible towards the consumption of energy, for making the sustained habitats. By this, there will be a steady increase in economic growth and global peace, if these type of humans are more in number, in all countries. The tutors will play a major role in building these type of communities. They should be given good training. And every parent should be a role model to their children, because raising a real human is the highest contribution of humans for their communities. Real humans are those who curb their negative emotions, and let their positive emotions, to spread the love, which is the only surviving tool for any living form. Thank you for watching.